Dear students, in this module I am going to explain how to construct arithmetic mean for individual series, discrete series and continuous series. I will start with individual series. Here we observe the formula. The arithmetic mean is denoted by x bar. It is defined as sum of observations by number of observations. Here is there are n values x1, x2, xn. The arithmetic mean is defined as x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to so on xn by n. Now here I take the rainfall of 10 years. Now I want to calculate the average rainfall. Here based on this information, based on the formula, the arithmetic mean is sum of observations by number of observations. Now I calculate the sum of x. Okay, sum of x and that equal to sum of x and n number of observations equal to, I count the number of observations, count the number of observations. So now I calculate the arithmetic mean am equal to sum of observations by number of observations by n. So I got the average rainfall is 148.5 centimeters. It is the formula. It is the based on formula. Here we can calculate arithmetic mean using Excel function that equal to average of all the observations. It is 148.5. It is the function. We can calculate arithmetic mean by using the formula function. This is the way we calculate arithmetic mean for individual series. Now I want to calculate arithmetic mean for discrete series. Here data is considered for weekly earnings and number of employees. What is the meaning of this 105? Okay, 5 employees in the organization, their weekly earnings is 100 rupees, and 8 employees, their weekly earnings is 120 rupees. Here formula is x bar equal to summation fx by n. So here is in the data f and f is the number of employees, x is the number of earnings. So I want to calculate fx and n, and n is total frequency, that equal to sum of and frequency, sum of and sum of fx. So first we calculate the fx, that equal to f is number of employees and x is weekly earning. Now drag. Now I want to calculate sum of fx, that equal to sum of fx. So now we got the sum of fx and the n value. So using this arithmetic mean formula, sum of fx by total frequency, that is n. So the average weekly earnings of the employees is 188.556 rupees. Okay, this is the way we calculate the arithmetic mean for discrete series. Now move to the continuous series. In continuous series, here is a marks and number of students. 5 students got the marks between 0 to 10. 7 students got the marks 10 to 20. Here is the formula, same formula applied. Here we apply the same formula like discrete distribution, but here is x is the mid value, and f is the frequency. Here first we calculate the mid value. Mid value is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Next, I calculate the fx. Here we need fx. So fx that equal to, and is f is frequency into x is the mid value. X is the mid value. Now I want calculate n. N is total frequency equal to sum of frequency. Frequency is number of students, and sum of fx. Sum of fx equal to sum of fx. So arithmetic mean equal to sum of fx by total. So average mark is 31.8. Okay, that is almost all 32 marks. This is the way we calculate the arithmetic mean for the continuous series. Here in this module I covered the how to construct arithmetic mean for individual series and discrete series. Discrete series means data with frequency, and continuous series data with the class intervals and frequencies. Thank you everyone. Thanks for listening. Thank you very much.